Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to transfer Ethereum from Coinbase wallet to bank account. Withdrawing crypto from Coinbase is a process that can be done in a few simple steps. So first, click the buy or sell button at the top right of the page. Then trade for or buy the crypto you want to withdraw. Navigate to the send or receive page and input the amount and asset you to withdraw in the dialog box. Now, add an email address in the address field. Then, add a crypto address in the address field. Next, choose the asset you wish to withdraw and click on Continue. Then, confirm or edit your transaction details and click Withdraw Now. After you finalize the transaction, your withdrawn crypto funds will reach your account sometime between a few minutes or a few days, based on the asset and network you chose. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.